Sex Determination Introduction. Surprisingly, it is only in the last 50 years that we have begun to understand the nature of the biological events which determine our sex. It is not so long ago that women were blamed if they failed to produce a son for their husband, and clearly it was thought that the power of sex determination lay within the body of the woman. During this century, the chromosomal basis of human sex determination has been demonstrated, and in the last few years, some of the genes responsible have been identified. The sexual identity of an individual is determined at several levels: chromosomal sex, gonadal sex, somatic sex, and sexual orientation. In the late 1800s and early 1900s, various scientists discovered that 1. The chromosomes within the nucleus divide longitudinally during cell division. 2. The divided chromosomes were distributed in equal numbers to the daughter cells. 3. The total number of chromosomes remains constant in all cells of an organism except during gamete formation. 4. The chromosome number varies greatly from species to species. 5. In 1903, Sutton and Boveri noted that the transmission of chromosomes from one generation to the next paralleled the transmission of genes from generation to generation. In dioecious species, separate sexes, there are several means to determine sex. The chromosomes involved in sex determination are called sex chromosomes. All other chromosomes are called autosomal chromosomes or autosomes. Although sex chromosomes provide the most common means of sex determination, it is not the only mechanism. 1. In bees, males are haploid N, while females are diploid 2N. 2. Sex may be determined by a single allele or multiple alleles, as in some wasps. 3. By environmental factors, as in some turtles. These have indeterminate genetic sex-determining mechanisms. The temperature at which the eggs are incubated determines the sex of the turtles. In some species, warm nests yield mostly males and cool nests yield mostly females. In other species of turtles, this is reversed. We will limit our discussion to chromosomal sex determining mechanisms, as this is most common and is the mechanism seen in mammals. In recent years, however, a distinction has been made firstly between sex determination and sex differentiation, and secondly between the roles played by the chromosome constitution and specific genes located both on sex chromosomes and autosomes in achieving sexual dimorphism. It has been shown that sex determination is a mere signal initiating male or female development patterns, and that sex differentiation involves the actual pathway of events leading to the development of not only male and female organs, but also the secondary sex characters.